Bring home a new refrigerator that is smart and energy efficient. Presenting highest range of direct cool single door refrigerator, available in 190, 195 and 220 litre capacity with 3 stars and 4-star ISEER rating. Available in vibrant patterns and solid colors with a glossy finish. Don't wait any longer than 60 minutes for ice cubes. The 1-hour icing technology of this refrigerator ensures faster ice formation along with super fast cooling. Its strong and direct cooling airflow inside the unit helps keep your food fresh for longer. The LED light inbuilt in the unit makes it look more beautiful. It comes with 3 durable and toughened glass shelves. These are strong enough to withstand the weight of the heavy pots and pans too. The large vegetable box is used to store your veggies and greens. The humidity controller keeps them crisp and fresh for longer. The unit also has 4 door shelves with bottle guards, bottles for storing PEP water bottles or soft drink cans. What's more is that the freezer section gives you an extra chiller room. This DC refrigerator has a thick PUF insulation that helps cool the contents faster and retain low temperatures for better cooling. It is built with a heavy-duty compressor, giving you the highest cooling performance. Higher stylish and smart DC refrigerators do not need a stabilizer for optimum operation, as it can function even at a lower power voltage of 130 volts. Available with a 1-year warranty on product and 10 years warranty on compressor. Get this product on Amazon. You can avail EMI options and pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 10-day return or replacement policy for the damaged or defective product. You can schedule the delivery at your convenience. Prime members get free delivery. Amazon will coordinate with the brand for installation within 48 hours of delivery. For further information, visit the product detail page.